What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to share the internet connection from your Android device to a Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Android device. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Connections or Connections and Network. Inside the Connections section, select Hotspot and Tethering or a similar option. Toggle the Mobile Hotspot option on. This will activate the hotspot on your Android device. Tap on Mobile Hotspot or the settings icon next to it to customize your hotspot settings. You can set a name, password, and choose the type of security for your shared internet connection. When this is done, open the list of available Wi-Fi networks on your PC. You should see the name of your Android hotspot listed here. Select it and enter the password you set in the previous step. Once entered correctly, your PC will connect to the hotspot and you'll have access to the internet. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.